Bullish FTX token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $110.32 and $240.26 by 2030. Market investigators accept FTT could reach $110.32 by 2025. Bearish FTX token market cost expectation for 2022 is $19.61. FTX token presentation. Experts from Money Road and significant tech firms like Google, Facebook, Jane Road, Optiver, and Susquehanna make up the center gathering behind the FTX stage. The engineers of the FTT token, with an abundance of involvement with monetary stock subordinates, desire to outperform OKEX, the top crypto conjecture trade in the blockchain space. Sam Bankman-Fried, the director of FTX, Gary Wang, and Nishad Singh helped to establish the commercial center. The gathering started creating FTX, a trade by merchants, for dealers, subsequent to laying out a Lambda Exploration, a digital money quant exchanging firm and liquidity supplier. SBF accepted the crypto market coming up short on modern exchanging component for many-sided items. SBF and FTX are both domiciled in Hong Kong, a city that upholds digital currency. The liberal pioneer gives 1% of FTX's net exchanging charges to good cause and previously filled in as a legal administrator at the Middle for Viable Unselfishness. SBF is a notable player in the digital money industry with more than 290 Kelvin devotees on Twitter. What is FTX token? The exchange token for the FTX environments is called FTX token, and it could be utilized as guarantee for FATE's positions, to get discounts on OTC exchanges, to bring down exchanging expenses. And that's only the tip of the iceberg. Collateralized tokens, OTC exchanging, and prospects exchanging are completely presented by the FTX exchanging stage, which tries to turn into the main crypto trade commercial center in the blockchain business. FTX token specialized examination. The effective amount requested on changes in normal cost, turnover, and suggested unpredictability is analyzed utilizing specialized examination apparatuses. It works under the assumption that, when joined with appropriate money management or managing rules, authentic exchanging action and cost increments of safety can act as significant indicators of future security costs. It can extraordinarily upgrade the evaluation of a security's solidarity or shortcoming contrasted with the general market or one of its areas. It is habitually used to produce momentary exchanging signals utilizing different diagramming devices. Investigators can refine their general worth gauge by utilizing this data. Marks of digital money in view of specialized examination. A few line diagrams and outline examples can be utilized to do specialized evaluations of computerized monetary standards, utilizing the pivotal pointers recorded beneath. Anyone with any interest in specialized examination can analyze the most exorbitant cost, market cap, normal value, the most noteworthy worth, FTX cost gauge, FTX token cost expectations, or some other data connected with the header cost figure. FTX token crucial examination. Financial backers utilize this strategy to decide the fair worth of FTX coins and different coins. The essential objective is to evaluate a great many inside and outside components to decide whether a coin is overrated or misjudged. Financial backers utilize this data to direct their speculation decisions. Prior to managing digital currencies, major examination issues should be fixed. Crucial examination can assist dealers with choosing how to continue and what monetary hypothesis and double dealing will mean for digital currencies. Major examination components. The accompanying three components are significant to principal investigation. Impact evaluation. Enterprise assessment forces model and intensive comprehension of planning, money, and items is vital for an exhaustive structure like crucial examination. Directing key appraisals, for specific, requires figuring out foundational hardships, knowledge of valuation techniques, and the ability to assess monetary information. Furthermore, it often makes expectations in view of openly accessible information, such an organization's verifiable benefits and further developed seriousness. FTX token current cost. FTX token is at present worth $24.52 USD. FTT has moved 2.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $53,543,517. FTX token is presently positioned 24 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,278,510,803 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for FTX token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. FTX token value expectation 2022. FTX token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The FTT cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $36.76. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $34.31 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. FTT is supposed to have a base worth of $29.41. FTX token value forecast 2023. In 2023, FTX token FTT cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of FTT will before long outperform $61.27. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the FTT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FTT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $49.01 and a typical exchanging cost of $53.91. FTX token value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $85.77 and FTT might benefit on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. FTT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $78.42 and a low of $73.52 in 2024. FTX token value forecast 2025. Assuming that FTX token effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the FTT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, FTT will be green in 2025. The FTT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $110.28, with a base cost of $98.03 and a typical cost of $102.93. FTX token value expectation 2026. Besides, FTT has a most extreme value worth of $134.79. FTX token value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $151.94. In the event that FTT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $159.29. Neglecting to accumulate the help FTT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $147.04. FTX token value expectation 2028. While FTT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $171.55 and a yearly cost close above $183.80 in 2028. FTX token value forecast 2029. By 2029, FTX token will at long last outperform its past ATH value